you ever wondered where animal sanctuaries get the money to care for so many animals? Taking care of animals requires a lot of money for food, medicine, and proper facilities. So how do they survive? Most sanctuaries rely on income from educational tourism. Visitors not only see the animals, but also learn about conservation. Other sources include selling souvenirs, voluntary donations, and symbolic adoption programs, where people can adopt an animal by donating a certain amount. Some sanctuaries also collaborate with the government and conservation organizations to receive grants for protecting endangered species. But did you know? Many sanctuary owners even spend their own money to care for these animals. For them, it's not just a job, it's a calling from the heart.